Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to the Reefs channel. I am so happy for today's video. Today is part 2 of growing our TikTok theme page. I'm super excited with our results, and we've done absolutely amazing on our page. This is, by golly, a banger of a video today, because we are going to be going over my TikTok page and seeing how it's been doing. And let me tell you guys, it's been doing fantastic. I was not expecting these results at all, and I didn't think it would go to this level. I'm honestly super surprised on how far we actually got in the first month of growing our TikTok theme page. We actually got a viral video, which happened yesterday around like 5 p.m., which I'm super excited about. Before then, we didn't really have any viral videos or anything, just a few videos that hit 1,000 views or whatever, but we got a super mega banger on our account the other day, and I'm super excited to share with you guys the results. Before we get started and look at the analytics and how our page did over this month, I want you guys to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Only 12% of the people watching my videos on this channel are subscribed to me. So if you are not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you guys do not miss another video. I make a bunch of videos like these ones. I do challenge videos, I talk about Instagram, talk about TikTok, and I talk about how to make money. And if you are interested in those topics, then you're gonna want to subscribe right now. Just do it. It only takes 1 second and it is free. You want to know what else is free? On Webull, right now, you can get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 on their platform using my referral link down below. You only have to deposit $100 and you can get 2 free stocks that can be worth up to $1,500. So if you like free things, go check that out down below. Thank you guys if you did that, and let's get straight into it. Let's open up our TikTok page and see how we did. Okay, so we are on our page right now. We got 99 notifications. That always feels fantastic. And so yeah, always satisfying. To 1,000 followers. It's so amazing. We were at 100 followers before we got our viral video, which I'll show you in a second, and we literally shot up 1,000 in one day, and now we have a total of 11,500 likes, which is actually a pretty good ratio if you think about it. I didn't even put a caption on the video saying to follow us or anything, and so for every 10,000 likes, it seems, we're getting 1,000 followers, which is actually insane. So let's take a look at our viral video right here, but first, let's go back to the beginning. So we were getting 500 views, and to be honest, we were not getting that many likes, like 31 likes or so on our posts, and we just had some videos get a few thousand views or whatever. Not too many views, to be honest, and yeah, we were not really hitting the For You page that often, and we were kind of just getting a few followers here and there every single day. And we started this, let me look at the date right here, yeah, 12/12/12, so that was like a month ago or so. I think it's the 15th today, so just over a month ago we started this page, and we were posting pretty consistently. I tried to post every day. Some days I forgot, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, that's just how it goes. Anyways, we were trying to post pretty consistently and post every day. One thing I want to talk about is in the beginning of making this TikTok page, I was not adding sounds to my videos for some reasons. I was literally using the default sounds that the video came with, like the original audio on the sound. And after a while, I realized that's not a very good idea. And here's a little quick tip for you guys if you want to start a TikTok theme page as well. Okay, so originally I was not using sounds, and then I started adding sounds and my videos started doing better. This is because sounds on TikTok are associated with the algorithm as well. Because when people are scrolling through their For You page and they're liking videos with same sound on the video, the For You page is going to recommend more videos that have that same sound. So when you're uploading videos, make sure you add a sound that's trending. One way you guys can do that is go to some of the top creators like Charlie D'Amelio or Addison Rae and see what sounds they are using, then hit save sound and add them to your video, because every time someone interacts or engages with a video that has that same sound, the For You page will recommend them videos that have that same sound. I don't know why, but that's just how the algorithm kind of works. So I started adding sounds to my videos and they started doing better. So make sure you guys are not using the original sound on the video, because honestly I think it's less beneficial just to use the original sound, and I think there's something to adding a sound and getting in the For You page and the algorithm to do with that. So let's check out our viral video. So we posted this yesterday. I'm not really sure when I posted this, to be honest. I think it was in the morning, and then I just logged off and I didn't look at it. And so yeah, it has 10,000, almost 11,000 likes. And one thing I want to point out about this video is that it's nothing special. To be honest, I didn't even think this was going to go viral. It wasn't super cool or that interesting at all, actually, to be honest. And it's not even that satisfying. And it's not like a super cool video or anything. I don't know why this is. That just goes to show you how random the TikTok algorithm is. And maybe it's just luck. I'm not really too sure. But anyways, our video got 870k views in the first day. And that's actually spectacular, and I've never seen anything like this. And let me know if you guys have had a video go this viral in one day. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Like, I added the sound. I don't think I can play it for you guys because of copyright and stuff. But anyways, it's just like a quick video, and they're pouring some sort of like liquid metal into like just a random surface and then twisting it with this like weird screw cork thing and then twisting it out. And like, as you guys can see, it's not even that cool or that satisfying, but the TikTok For You page seemed to really like this. It didn't even get that many comments or that much engagement. I mean, look at this, 18 shares and 17 comments. That's not even that much engagement. And if we look at the comments here, they're quite random. They seem to be in a different language. If you guys could tell me what language this is, it seems to be Russian or something like that. So maybe it went on the For You page in like Russia or something, and they didn't comment that much. I swear I did not bot this video or anything. I don't really need to do that. And this video is an experiment, so there's no point in me botting this. It's just really odd. Also, the view to like ratio is odd as well. Like, it only has 10,000 likes, but 800,000 views. I'm not sure why this is. I don't know if it's the demographic. Let me see if we can check out the analytics. Okay, so looking at the analytics, it doesn't seem that we have any data quite yet. It's only telling me how many plays and how many likes and comments and shares. So we posted at 10:24 in the morning. That's normally when I post, and then I just don't look at it till like 3 p.m. or so. And yeah, it just did very well, and I'm not really sure why. Anyway, so that's kind of one thing I wanted to talk about, was adding sounds and how that could be beneficial. Another thing that I want to talk about real quick is no one cared about my free iOS games to play. Literally, after I got 800,000 views on my video, no one went to my bio and downloaded any of the games in the link tree below. I'm not sure why. Maybe they just didn't understand, or they spoke a different language. Maybe because they spoke a different language or something, they just didn't download it, or they didn't really understand what my bio was saying to download these games or anything. So what I did is I changed it to my Instagram, which is a satisfying page Instagram, which is going to be a new video coming out very soon where I grow an Instagram page to 1,000 followers in 1 week. And so to help that, I added the Instagram link in bio to see if we could get any more followers or something. And I said, want more satisfying content? Follow me on Instagram. Hopefully this will convert some more followers to Instagram. But yeah, it just did like oddly well, and I honestly have no clue why. I mean, to be honest, it's not even that interesting to me. It's just crazy how we were able to get a viral video. I mean, I just post. I don't know if it has anything to do with consistency or luck, or the sound I was using. I actually don't know, guys. We've gotten 1,500 followers in the last week. Pretty even audience. 55% female, 44% male, and they seem to be from the United States, but honestly, that doesn't really make sense because most of the comments were in a different language. Maybe the analytics haven't updated yet and only the followers have updated, but yeah, it doesn't really make sense. So I posted 3 more times today. These videos, I guess, are doing decent. This one has 450 views. I mean, hopefully I could just get another viral video, to be honest. That's what I'm working towards, and maybe we can get this page to 10,000 followers. Let's check how our activity is doing. We're still getting so many views and so many followers. I mean, we're just refreshing, and yeah, there's a bunch more likes and follows. And if we look down below, oh my god, it's already gained like 20,000 views in the last like few minutes. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today in this video. It's doing pretty decently. I mean, we got 1,600 followers. That's pretty good, I would say. I've never really gained this many followers that quickly, especially on TikTok. And it just seems to be doing well. So if you guys want to try this out for yourself, maybe start a TikTok theme page and let me know how you guys do down below in the comments. I might make a part 3 of this, but I will wait for another thing that's super interesting to happen. If we have a few more viral videos or something interesting to talk about in regards to this TikTok theme page, then I will talk about on this channel. And let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see a part 3 of growing a TikTok theme page. There's not really much else to talk about. I'm not really sure why that video went viral, or that video in particular went viral, but I'm not complaining. I mean, we got 800,000 views in one day, which is pretty interesting, and I thought I'd share it with you guys on this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe with those post notifications turned on so you guys don't miss the part 3 if I make one of this series. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys did, and this has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.